In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Tag Manager on Shopify. Google Tag Manager, or GTM, lets you add and manage marketing and analytics tags without constantly editing your theme code. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the GTM container installed correctly in your Shopify theme so you can publish tags with confidence. Start by opening Google Tag Manager and signing into the container you want to use for your store. Once you're in the workspace, head to the admin area. From there, choose Install Google Tag Manager. You'll see two code snippets generated specifically for your container, one script for the head of your pages and one no script snippet for the body. Keep this page open. You'll copy and paste each snippet exactly as provided. Don't change anything inside the code. Now switch to your Shopify admin. In the sidebar, go to Online Store, then open Themes. Find the theme that's currently live on your store. Click the three dots next to it and choose Edit Code. This opens your themes file editor. In the file list on the left, open Layout, then select theme.liquid. This file controls the global layout for your storefront. Place your cursor inside the head tag near the top of the file. Paste the first GTM snippet, the script version, as high as possible within the head, ideally right after the opening head tag. Keeping it high helps GTM load early and keeps your data layer consistent across the page. Next, scroll down in the same file until you find the opening body tag. Immediately after that opening body tag, paste the second GTM snippet, the no script version. This ensures tracking can still function in limited scenarios, such as when JavaScript is disabled. Before leaving the editor, take a quick look to make sure you haven't accidentally duplicated any older GTM or analytics scripts in the head or right after the body. You should have one GTM container installed once. Also confirm you're editing the correct theme, especially if you have multiple themes in your account. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner. That's the installation complete. From here, you can return to Google Tag Manager to configure tags, triggers, and variables as needed. As a quick tip, you can use GTM's preview mode or a browser extension like Tag Assistant to verify that your container is loading on your storefront. If changes don't show up right away, refresh your storefront, clear your cache, or try a private browsing window. And that's it. Your Shopify theme now loads Google Tag Manager correctly in both the head and immediately after the body, giving you a reliable foundation for all your tracking.